Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to day 3 of reading Give Bees a Chance. So, for a quick recap, this week we are focusing on our author's purpose, and our author's purpose is to persuade. So, to try and make you do something or to feel the same way the author does. So, in this story, our author is trying to persuade us to like bees or to give them a chance. So we're going to continue from where we left off yesterday and see how else the author is going to try and persuade us. Here we go. Also, wait, what are you wearing? Bee armor. That's not going to work. It was designed for dragons. I think it could handle bees. Well, there is a kind of armor that beekeepers wear, but it looks quite a bit different. It allows them to collect honey and beeswax without getting stung by startled bees. Oh, so the author's telling us there are special clothes you could wear to keep you protected from bees. Interesting. But giving up bees means giving up so much more than just honey. You know, I love honey, but I'd be willing to give it up forever to never see a bee again. Some scientists say bees are responsible for a third of all the fruits and vegetables we eat. Bees have a big impact on the food chain. You see, in order for plants to grow fruits and vegetables, they need the right ingredients. Remember sun, water? A major ingredient they need is pollen. But since flowers can't move, they can't always get pollen from each other. That's where bees fly in. They act as a pollen delivery service, helping give flowers ingredients they need. A single bee can visit over 1,000 flowers a day, making bee pollination powers unparalleled, which means without bees, there'd be a lot less yummy stuff to eat. Whoa, did you know that? We knew when we planted a seed that it needed water and sunlight to grow, but in order for more plants to keep growing, it needs pollen. And for that to happen, we have to have bees. So, boys and girls, this is where we are stopping for our reading today. And just like the past 2 days, your job today is to record or videotape a reason how or why the author is trying to persuade you. What's something you learned about bees that might make you think, oh, they're not so scary, or yeah, maybe we do need bees. I can't wait to hear your responses, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.